I'm going to show you how to sow carrot seeds, and for this I'm using Autumn King 2. So I've already filled my seed tray with seed and cutting compost, and I'm just going to water that first so that the soil's moist before I sow the seeds. So I've watered it before sowing the seeds just so that the seeds don't end up sown too deep. With carrots, you can sow them directly into the ground if you've got open ground to use, but you can also sow them into a module tray or in a pot. So for this, I'll probably sow 2 or 3 per module, and then as they grow, you can pinch out the weaker seedlings until you're left with one strong one. And now I'm just going to tap these in a little bit just so they've got good contact with the soil, and then I'll top them off with more compost. Okay, and then you can put those to one side, and then as soon as the seedlings appear, you can pinch out the weaker looking ones, and then you can transplant them as soon as they've got the true leaves into bigger pots, and then eventually into the ground or into containers.